Hey, so I noticed another skill you are struggling in is the mean, median, and mode skill. So the things you have to remember with this, the mean, well, let me see. The mode I think is the easiest to remember. The mode, M-O-D-E, that's the number you see the most. The mode you see the most, right? So whatever number appears the most is the mode. So for example, in this one, I see 3/8, 4/8. 4/8, and there's not 4 of any other number. 4, so 8 I see the most, so 8 is the mode. Cool. So 8 is the mode. The median, to find the median is kind of, that's the number where half of the half of the numbers are bigger and half of them are smaller. So to find that, you got to put the numbers in order. So let's see, the smallest number is 4, and there's two 4s. And then the next smallest is 5. There's one 5. Then there's a 1 6, 1 7. So I got 4 5 6 7, 4 8s. Oh man, 8s are hard to draw with a mouse. 8 8 8 8. They're getting bigger and bigger as I go. Okay, and then the biggest is the 9. So now I've put all these numbers in order. The easiest way, wow, that's a lot bigger than this 4. The easiest way to find the middle one, well, there's a few ways. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's even numbers, so you count. So there's going to be 5 on each side, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the median is going to be between these two numbers. The other way you can count that is you can cross off from both sides. So like 1 here, 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 and then these are the last two I cross off. So so we got to average them because there's an even number of numbers. There is not one number where half the other numbers are bigger and half them are smaller. There's two numbers where half are bigger and half are bigger and half are smaller. So we got to average those. So that would give us 7.5. And then, so that's the median. You call it the median. It's like kind of the medium number, middle. All right, and then the mean. I remember the mean because it's the hardest. It's the most work. So I say it's mean when teachers make me find the mean. So that's how I remember what the mean is. So I got to add all these up. So that's going to be 8, 13, 19, 26, 34, 250, 58. Okay, so I think 67 is what I get if I add them all together. So to find the mean, you do add them all together. So that would be called the sum. When you add numbers, the result is called the sum, and then you divide that by the number of numbers. So how many numbers are there? So 67, and we said there's 10 numbers. So the mean equals 6.7. So let's see if we got it right. Better have gotten right if we did all that work. Cool. So just a review of the mean. It's the sum over the number of numbers. I'll just write hashtag for short because I don't feel like writing that whole phrase. So if I add these together, I get 23, I believe. Let me just double check that. 10, 18, 22, 23. Yeah, 23, and how many numbers are there? There's 5 numbers. 23 fifths. Okay, so I think that equals 6.6? No, 4.6, I think. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. If you're wondering how I did it in my head, I thought in my head 2 over 2, since that's equal to 1, if I multiply it by this, I'm still going to have something that's equal. Because 1 times anything is the same number, so 2 over 2 is equal to 1. And then so that gave me 46 tenths. By the way, this has nothing to do with mean, median, and mode. I'm just letting you know. And 46 tenths. So that means it's 4 and 6 tenths. And if you have trouble with decimal places, remembering what's tenths and hundredths and thousandths, I'll make I think I'm going to make you a video about that too, because I think I saw that you were struggling in that area. So, basically the mode of this one, there's 2 6s. That's the most common number, so I'm going to put 6 as the mode. The mode of this one is 6 again. And then the arithmetic mean, I did the mean a couple times, so I'll leave that up to you, since I showed you a few examples of that. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. So hopefully it's helpful. Okay, bye.